Welcome back to another video. In the background we have the Bayliner Element. It is another cleaning day. Took it back to the lake yesterday, so now we have to clean it. I clean it after every use. Do not want water spots, and as you see by the title, something went wrong with this boat, and it did go back to the dealer. So now I'm going to show you what went wrong. First thing that went wrong is the rub rail. Underneath the rub rail, I will show you a little bit closer, it actually split. I don't know if the top and bottom portions actually split from the hull, but basically there was a gap. I could stick my pinky almost in between the rub rail, and basically the screws underneath failed. It did cause a gap. I sent an email to Bayliner. I was very cautious about it. If you read the forums, you will know that some other people have had issues like that in the past, and it has caused water to get into the pontoons. They assured me that in 2018 they fixed all that, so I have not had any degraded performance. I've not had any issues whatsoever, so I think I'm good. But the dealer fixed it. It was what I was worried about, and I'm going to show you up close here. Now, as you can see, excuse all my mess back there, as you can see, there is a very thin, clear line under there, and you can actually see a little crack. You see that little crack up there? See if it'll focus. So basically that split, and you notice how this is black now. This is all black. This is what the dealer fixed. It was on the front of the boat where I had the biggest gap, and I could almost stick my pinky into it, and they basically took the front of the rub rail off, installed bigger screws, and made it right. So that was the first major issue. Okay, second major issue we had was the seat. So this is one of the front bow seat cushions, and basically it had a little bit of a gap in between the seat and the fiberglass. When I picked it up, I didn't think much of it, but over time the corner actually started pulling off, and it was basically tearing off the fiberglass. So they installed the new seat and fixed it all. It's good to go now. Third thing I want to mention, we're in the rear of the boat, in the rear aft section. I actually fixed this myself. I did not have them fix this, but if you have an Element, you know it has these little lock pins that you turn, and then that allows you to pull the cover up. And basically what had happened was the screws that go in here were super small, had barely any thread on them, and sure enough, they popped right out. This whole entire locking mechanism failed and pulled out. I will put the picture of the original screws plus the screws that I've replaced it with. Now, I replaced it with an actual bolt. It's a flush mount head, and it actually has a nut on the end. That way I know for a fact I don't have to worry about it ever falling back out. Those are the issues I've had. Make sure you check out yours, especially for the gap in the front or all the way around. I will definitely be pulling off all of the clear around the boat and doing all new and black. I like the black. I'm going to do the entire boat myself. Check your boat for the rear locks that I showed you. If you need to, feel free to replace them. Then you don't ever have to worry about it. I can tell you that if it does come undone, that seat will fly out while you're driving down the road, because it almost happened to me. So check everything. Hope you enjoyed this little quick video. We'll catch you on the next one.